Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Ford F-150 2017, 18, 19, 20 Kifo battery, used for many different models of Ford. Pretty easy. The battery you will need is a CR2450, okay? CR2450. You can click on the link below to get it online. What we do, first thing we do, we take the emergency key out by pulling this button, I'm sorry. Emergency key, once again, we take it out. Second thing, right here, let's make sure that, right here, there is a space. What we need to do is take the key and push it in and pull up, okay? Once again, this space right here, take the key, pull up, okay? Now we have two options. First is to use the key to pull it up gently and take the cover off, or second option, show this again, create a space, and then once it's open, gently, you pull the cover up, okay? Very gently, very easy. Now what we need to do is to pull the battery out. We do that by using the flathead screwdriver right here. We insert underneath and we take the battery out. As I said, 2450, okay? Just show you again, right here, very easy. Once you took the battery out, I'll use this battery because it's a good one. You put it back in, you press, good to go, put the cover back in, let it click. Oh, then you put it there. 1 second. First you put the back and then the front. Put the emergency key and you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Let us know what you think. Thank you.